Alright, so I made a custom exhaust. This goes to the original headers, I guess. This is where it exits. It stands up like this. Took me a couple days. I'm gonna paint it over there once I'm done with this. Oh god, that hurts my ears. Alright, I'm gonna put a muffler. It's gonna come right there and right there. Okay. I was gonna put it on the wire, but I said, fuck it, too difficult. I'm just gonna put it like that. And it's just sprinkling a little, so I think the less surface area, because this way it'd be all exposed. This way, only this is. Okay. Let's paint. Okay, well, I just sprayed myself. And part of my new phone I got yesterday. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it like this.
Okay, that's one side. Over here. Get to the other side. Ah, what the? Try this and... Ah, shit. That's not gonna work out. Now I'm holding it like this much distance.
If it works out, fuck it. It's an exhaust. Now, you could say that it'd be showing, but I don't fucking care. Okay, it started raining a little harder. I moved in here. I'm standing at a picnic table right now. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna paint it like that, like where it is. I don't want to get any of this wood painted. My dad will get pissed. I might try to move to someone else. But I gotta have enough. Yeah, this exhaust, I welded it once. There's like 5 different pie cuts in it. Yeah, I just wanted to do it one day. I was like, alright, I'll get some pipe. Did that. And then I started welding. I grinded away the welds. And that was my first time welding, was with the exhaust for a long time. Usually I've done like tacks, you know, and they're mostly just shitty welds, bubble, all the balls everywhere. And I've now gotten just enough to say I know how to weld. Because I grinded it away, welded it back up again, grinded it away, and then fixed all but one hole that's up here. I think it's, here, let me go to the other side. Right here. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I have one hole, but otherwise, and I mean, it's an exhaust. It's not gonna be fucking perfect. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna paint in here. Here's that hole that I was talking about. See, it's pretty small. Otherwise, it's fine. I measured the outside of the tube of the muffler, the original muffler, when I bought this, and I was like, alright, that should fit. I didn't realize that there was another casing inside of the muffler. So I had this cut right here on all 4 sides, beaten in to just barely fit the header, and then I welded it very shittily. Like, there's holes everywhere. It looks like fucking shit. But this one took me like 3 seconds. The rest of these, I put some good time in it. Okay, I'm getting a tarp because they might be pissed if I'm painting on the fucking table. There's some fucking cows. I'm so grateful for the 53 views on that last video. I put it up. I didn't even subscribe to myself. I got 4 subscribers. I didn't ask anyone to subscribe to me either. 4 subscribers and 53 views. So fucking happy. Thanks, guys. I think it's good for another coat. Let's do this.
Oh yeah, I'll be mid.
Throw that mist on there. More like Sierra mist. Ah. So funny, guys. I think it's been like 15 minutes. So we're good for the actual paint now. Alright, that's one coat. I'll probably do like 3 of them. I don't want to ever fuck with this again. Alright. It's been about 15 minutes. Let's do this. I'm gonna touch it because this side. Oh, that's mint. Okay. This side doesn't get seen. I can fuck this side up as much as I want. I know it's ain't the best paint job you've ever seen, but fuck them.
Some fucking exhaust. They'll be fine.
Okay. That's coat 1. That's coat 2 out of 3 and 4. I don't know. Coat 3. I have the fan on. Hopefully I don't get my head whacked with it. I know it'll happen too. You know what? I'm just gonna turn it off. Alright. A little glossy. That time I let it sit for 20 minutes. I'll probably let it sit for another 20 minutes. Now, there's little balls on them because from the rain when I was out there. I filed all the welding balls off. Well, at least most of them. The ones that you see now are just from the rain. Kind of pissed because I spent like 25 minutes filing off the ball things. Yeah. Okay, this is the last one. I'm gonna.
This is like a mint in here. Okay, not getting any paint anywhere. I typed down on the table. I was worried about throwing black paint on some of this wood. That would have been furious. Alright, after this, I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna like, say 40 minutes.
It's dry. Just trying not to get trying not to get a ton of fingerprints on it. I drilled some air holes because now it has better flow. It's gonna need some more air. Alright, okay, finished. I don't like how it bulges out right here because that's where the original muffler was. I might take it off, you know, but see, and that's kind of hideous. So, otherwise it looks mint as hell. I really hate this. I had the original one that went on the exhaust, but when I was driving around without any muffler, it fell off, so I forgot to take it off. Otherwise I'd be using that, but I have to use this piece of shit. It looks really terrible. Okay, I'm gonna see how loud it is now.